Welcome back to our channel, Mindi-Mental. Today we're going to delve into a topic that's essential for personal growth and well-being: strengthening your mind. By adopting these 12 habits, you can boost your mental resilience, focus, and overall cognitive abilities. So let's get started. 1. Meditation and mindfulness. Start your day with meditation and mindfulness to improve your mental clarity and reduce stress. 2. Regular exercise. Exercise not only keeps your body in shape, but also releases endorphins that can enhance your mood and cognitive function. 3. Healthy eating. Your brain needs proper nutrition. Include brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich fish in your diet. 4. Continuous learning. Challenge your mind by reading, taking online courses, and acquiring new skills. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp. 5. Quality sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your brain to consolidate memories and rejuvenate. To improve your sleep, consider maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and practicing relaxation techniques. Avoid caffeine and screens before bedtime. 6. Stress management. Manage stress through techniques like deep breathing, journaling, and spending time in nature. 7. Mindful technology use. Set limits on screen time to prevent digital overload and improve your focus. 8. Positive affirmations. Practice positive self-talk to boost your confidence and mindset. Examples of positive affirmations include, "I am confident," "I am worthy of love and success," or "I am capable of achieving my goals." Repeating these affirmations regularly can help reprogram your subconscious mind to believe and act on these positive beliefs. 9. Social connections. Cultivate meaningful relationships to support your mental well-being. Building and maintaining relationships with friends, family, and community can provide support, reduce stress, and increase happiness. Engage in activities and hobbies you enjoy to meet new people and nurture existing connections. Prioritizing social interactions and communication is essential for a fulfilling and balanced life. 10. Time management. Organize your day effectively to reduce stress and increase productivity. 11. Gratitude journal. Keep a gratitude journal to focus on the positive aspects of your life. It involves regularly recording things you're grateful for, which can improve mental well-being and overall happiness. To start one, set aside time each day or week to jot down specific things you appreciate or moments that brought you joy. This practice can shift your focus towards the positive aspects of life and enhance your overall outlook. 12. Mind games. Challenge your mind with puzzles, chess, or brain games to enhance cognitive abilities. Strengthening your mind is an ongoing journey. By incorporating these 12 habits into your daily routine, you can create a positive impact on your mental health and well-being. So start today and watch your mind grow stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal development and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.